going to need 1 pound of shrimp, 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of flour. You can use white wine, but I used sherry, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a lemon, salt and pepper. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got home from work and I have some rice in the rice cooker, and I sent my husband to a local Hawaiian restaurant to pick up some mac salad because I have been on like a cravings kick lately. Whatever I crave, I want, I make. So today I was really craving this shrimp that we got when we were in Hawaii from Giovanni's shrimp truck. Holy crap. If you guys have ever tried that shrimp, it's like, it's buttery and garlicky and it's just so stinking delicious that I decided that I would try to recreate it. So I spent some time on Pinterest trying to search for some recipes, and I found some. Now I don't know how how it's gonna turn out or if it's gonna be identical or not, but I'm gonna try it out. So excuse my hair, but I didn't want to get any of my hair in the shrimp. So I will kind of show you guys what I'm gonna do really quickly. All right, so you guys saw the ingredients that we're gonna use for this. Now, I don't know, that looks like a lot of garlic to me, but it may not be enough. So even though this is like 2 heaping tablespoons, I may add more, we'll see. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that, this is a little under 3/4 cups of flour, and I'm thinking that there's gonna be a lot left over, so that's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna take my recipe here that I wrote down. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of paprika, and I'm really hoping I have enough. I don't know if I am or not. There's 1 and there's 2. You know what? I think, there we go. I normally don't measure, but because this isn't my recipe, I'm gonna measure it. And then we're gonna take, let's see, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Teaspoon, not tablespoon. So half a teaspoon of cayenne. Okay. So there's that. And I'm gonna go ahead and just mix that around. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my shrimp, and I patted this dry because I had to defrost it. So I'm just gonna kind of toss it a little bit, and I'm gonna lightly coat it, not like super drenched or anything like that. So it's lightly coated. They do have the shell and the tail on them, but I made sure that they were deveined. So, and you could get away with using a lot less flour, as you can see, maybe even half a cup or less. So I'm taking my skillet and I have it at medium heat, and I melted my butter a little bit. So I'm just gonna transfer it all into the skillet. So as you can see, it's like spraying all over the place. So I'm gonna add my garlic in there to try to calm it down a little bit. And honestly, I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic in there. After about 2 minutes of cooking the garlic and the butter, I'll add the shrimp. Just gonna add it like that. And I'm gonna try to get them all into like a single layer. That way they cook evenly. And basically what I'm gonna do here is just let them cook for about 3 minutes on this side. All right. So now I'm gonna turn all of these. Gosh, even if they're not, this isn't identical, like it still is good. All right, so I'm adding that 1/4 cup of sherry in there. Half of that lemon juice. Top it off with some sea salt. And I'm going to go in with the pepper. That's going to cook for about 2 minutes. Oh, the light gave it away. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it so good?
Yeah. And I didn't even notice this hit.
What?
Because you gotta lick your fingers.
Craving satisfied. Not quite, not exactly, not identical, but close. Or somewhat similar. This guy, he gets like so shy.
I'm just here to eat.
All right, well, close enough.
Merry Chrysler. It's coming. That was good. Merry coming.
Was it?
It's coming.
What's on your cheek?
Where?
Here.
Spoon.